mix rooting hormone and liquid fertilizer together for seed starting. To get good results from seeds, I choose old and firm seeds. The soil for planting seedlings must be loose, everyone. After 2 hours, I will take the seeds out to the ground. Now I will water a little to keep it moist so the seeds will germinate faster. I will punch holes around the paint can to avoid waterlogging when watering. I used polythene paper for the wick. When preparing the soil, I mix rice husks into the soil to create looseness. Before pouring soil in, I put rice husks at the bottom so that the wick can absorb water into the soil better. Surprisingly, within just a few days, the seeds sprouted and grew into young plants. Now I will transplant the tree into a pot of soil to grow. I poured water into the paint bucket below so the wick could draw the water up to the ground. At this stage, the plant needs additional soil and nutrients. I buried the egg under the tree because the egg provides a lot of nutrients and helps loosen the soil. I I add soil to the plant to help it stand firm and have more room to grow. I spread some rice husks on the surface of the soil to keep the soil moist. I mix some liquid fertilizer with water to water the plants. The liquid fertilizer is made from sea fish. At this stage, the plant is growing very strongly. I use dry bamboo to make a trellis for climbing plants. Now the tree will concentrate more nutrients on the fruit, so I add more worm castings. I add water to the plant. The plant always needs water to stay moist. Now is the time when pests and molds invade very quickly. I mixed garlic with water and sprayed it on the plants. If I want the plant to have many fruits, I use male flowers to pollinate female flowers to stimulate the plant to produce many fruits. The tree has produced a lot of young fruit. I cut off the old leaves below to concentrate all the nutrients into the fruit, helping the fruit grow larger. 60 days, the tree has produced a lot of fruit. Now I can pick cucumbers to eat. It is very safe to eat. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.